welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. It's been a little while since I've posted a video out there, so I thought I'd better get back in the saddle and get on with a light restoration, and in this case it's a Stanley 1.5 pound hammer. This belonged to my father, who recently passed away, so it does have sentimental value. Overall it's pretty good, a little bit wonky, so let's get on with the strip down. Before I start on the hammer, I thought I'd show you this. I found a mini croc in a charity shop recently, so I snapped him up. Thought it would be good company for Mr. Croc, bring out the nurture inside of him and hopefully improve that temper of his. The paint stripper followed by a wire wheeling gave it a really good finish, but that's not the end of it. So I'm going to give it a couple of hours in some deoxy just to make sure I've got rid of all the rust. Time for a clean up and a cup of tea. So now it's had its bath of deoxy, it looks really good, I reckon. Next thing is going to be, I've just got a really old worn flat disc on my angle grinder, and I'm just going to take out some of the deeper scratches just to smooth it around a little bit. Before I get into any more shaping on that handle, I need to sharpen this blade. It's getting a little bit blunt. I decided to get myself a new honing guide, only this time I went for one with a wider wheel, so it's almost got two wheels instead of one. Seems much more stable. Doesn't really need the glue in to actually hold it in place, but I'm using it more of a sealant really. That way hopefully it'll give it a bit of weather protection in the future. You probably can't see it very well due to the bad camera angle, but I'm just fitting a wedge back in the end. I'll leave this overnight to harden off, then I'll be able to finish it all off tomorrow. Not sure of the finish for the handle just yet, but I'm thinking probably an oil, so it's either going to be gunstock oil or it's going to be boiled linseed oil. using a quick spray of water just to raise the fibres of the wood. I'll leave it to dry, then once that's dried out nicely, I just give it a final sand down for a smoother finish. In the end, I decided there could only really be one finish for this hammer handle, and that's got to be gun stock oil. Should bring it up a treat. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. Obviously, it's never going to be a showstopper. It was never intended to be. It's just a case of keeping part of my dad in the shed with me, so he can probably tell me I'm doing everything wrong from above or wherever he is now. It's also been a little bit of therapy for me as well. It's been a bit difficult to get myself motivated into YouTube. I've not been watching YouTube, and this is the first one I've done for quite a few weeks now. Hopefully it's not going to be the last. There are a few things in the pipeline, but I'll just see how I go with that. So thanks again, and I will catch you on the next one.